Hello friends, welcome back to Crypto Brains. Today we're diving into Multiple Network, an exciting new airdrop project that has already raised $2 million and is backed by the renowned OKX Ventures. This is a fantastic opportunity you don't want to miss. Stick around as I guide you step by step on how to participate, all that and more coming right after the intro. Let's dive into the funding first. Multiple Network is a cutting-edge, decentralized platform revolutionizing data sharing and connectivity in the digital ecosystem. Using blockchain technology, it ensures secure, transparent, and seamless interactions across multiple networks with applications spanning DeFi, smart contracts, and more. Now, about the funding. Multiple Network raised $2 million in their latest round, but here's the big picture. Their valuation stands at $30 million. This means investors believe the entire project is worth $30 million, highlighting its massive potential to reshape the decentralized web. And now let's explore how you can be part of this project. Head over to their website and click on Get Started. This will redirect you to the sign-up page. Next, click Connect Wallet and choose the wallet you want to connect. For me, I'll go with MetaMask. Approve the connection in your wallet to proceed. Simply click on Connect, then Confirm. After that, enter your email address and click Get Verification Code to receive the code in your inbox. Enter the code in the provided box and click Next. Finally, choose a nickname for yourself and hit Next to move to the last step. Click on Download Node Client, and you'll see 3 types of nodes available for download. The first option, the Google Chrome extension, allows you to mine only while using Google Chrome. The second option, the Linux version, is perfect if you're a Linux user or want to run it on a VPS. The third option, the Windows version, is the one we'll be using in this guide. Click on Download for Windows, and the setup will start downloading automatically. Once it's done, open the file and follow the installation process. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, make sure to check this mark. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish. Now you might encounter the same issue I'm facing. As you can see, I need to install the .NET desktop runtime in order to run the node. Simply click on Download it now to proceed with the installation. After the download is complete, open the file and proceed with the installation. Once it's finished, click on Close. Now let's open the Multiple Network client, and it should work just fine if everything was set up correctly. Now, we need to get our account identifier to connect with our account. Simply go to your account dashboard, then head to Setup, and you'll find it there. For safety, I'm hiding mine, but make sure to copy it and keep it secure. Once you have your account identifier, paste it into the 2 boxes provided, then click on Next Step. After that, choose a PIN code. It must be 6 digits. Make sure to remember it, as you'll need it later. Now, choose the mining parameters. You can set any values you desire, just make sure not to exceed the maximum limits. For now, I'm going to skip this step and check if the node is running correctly. Don't worry, you can always edit the node parameters later if needed. As you can see, the node is running fine and we are mining. With this, we are now participating in the project's airdrop. Everything is set up and working smoothly. That's it for today. You're now all set up and actively participating in the Multiple Network airdrop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest crypto opportunities. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep mining, keep exploring, and stay ahead in the crypto game.